Hey friends, hope you're getting a chance to do something creative today. It feels so good to be back using the 3D printer again, and I have found some really cute earring patterns in Maker World. It's been a while since I've been into Maker World, but so many cool patterns. And you like my makeshift poop catcher there. It's working perfect just to take the extra bits and dump them into the bag. But look at these adorable Snoopy earrings. They are just so cute. I love them. And so I think this is printing the last layer, and now they are all cool. Yeah, here they are all finished and just cooling. And I'm going to make a couple of pair of earrings here. And I also found another really cool pattern that's for 2025, so we can ring in the new year with some cute little 2025 New Year earrings. So thanks so much for watching. I'll put a link to these models below if interested.